This is going to blow your mind. Make sure to watch until the end for a special surprise. Imagine a world where your future is no longer a mystery, a world where every decision, every choice, and every outcome is predicted with uncanny accuracy. Welcome to a reality that might just change everything you thought you knew about destiny. In the heart of cutting-edge technology lies an AI algorithm so advanced it claims to predict your future, but how does it work? And more importantly, can it really see what's coming next? This algorithm uses complex machine learning models to analyze vast amounts of data. From your online behavior to your personal preferences, every detail is considered. But what does it mean for your life? As we delve deeper into this technology, questions arise. Is it ethical to predict someone's future? Does it infringe on our free will? The answers might surprise you. From predicting stock market trends to identifying health risks, this algorithm is being used in ways you might not expect. But what about the personal side? Can it predict your future relationships or career path? As AI continues to evolve, the possibilities are endless, but with great power comes great responsibility. How will we use this technology to shape our future? You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-bending content. And remember, the future is just a click away.